Welcome to Amazing Tiny Stars. Hello, kids. Today, we are going to learn about our amazing body parts. Are you ready? Let's go.
Head. This is head. Forehead. This is forehead. Hair. This is hair. Eyes. These are eyes. Eyebrows. These are eyebrows. Eyelashes. These are eyelashes. Nose. This is nose. Ear. This is ear. Mouth. This is mouth. Tongue. This is tongue. Teeth. These are teeth. Lips. These are lips. Cheek. These are cheeks. Chin. This is chin. Neck. This is neck. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Chest. This is chest. Stomach. This is stomach. Waist. This is waist. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is elbow. Hand. These are hands. Wrist. This is wrist. Forearm. This is forearm. Fingers. These are fingers. Nail. These are nails. Leg. These are legs. Thigh. This is thigh. Knee. This is knee. Foot. This is foot. Toes. These are toes. Ankle. This is ankle. Throat. This is throat. Navel. This is navel. Back. This is back. Buttocks. These are buttocks. Hips. These are hips. Let's see the body parts one more time. Are you ready? Head. This is head. Forehead. This is forehead. Hair. This is hair. Eyes. These are eyes. Eyebrows. These are eyebrows. Eyelashes. These are eyelashes. Nose. This is nose. Ear. This is ear. Mouth. This is mouth. Tongue. This is tongue. Teeth. These are teeth. Lips. These are lips. Cheek. These are cheeks. Chin. This is chin. Neck. This is neck. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Chest. This is chest. Stomach. This is stomach. Waist. This is waist. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is elbow. Hand. These are hands. Wrist. This is wrist. Forearm. This is forearm. Fingers. These are fingers. Nail. These are nails. Leg. These are legs. Thigh. This is thigh. Knee. This is knee. Foot. This is foot. Toes. These are toes. Ankle. This is ankle. Throat. This is throat. Navel. This is navel. Back. This is back. Buttocks. These are buttocks. Hips. These are hips.
Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Amazing Tiny Stars.